Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're already in portrait mode, so start by centering your subject and tapping to set focus. Hold briefly to lock AE/AF. Once locked, pinch outward or tap the 1x/2x control to begin zooming while maintaining the portrait label. Make sure you're at a good subject distance. Move physically closer or farther to keep the background blur working correctly. You're setting the foundation for sharp subject detail and natural bokeh, so prioritize steady hands and minimal digital magnification for now. Once done locking focus, refine framing by adjusting your physical distance. Portrait needs a certain range to compute depth, so move slowly and watch the preview. Make sure to open the depth control slider in portrait mode to tune background blur. Less blur preserves detail when you're zooming. Also cycle through portrait lighting presets to see how shadows react. Choose the one that retains facial detail. Finally, use the volume button as your shutter to reduce handshake and capture a crisper, zoomed portrait. You're ready to capture. Press the shutter or use the volume button for steadier handling, then inspect the image at full size to confirm sharpness and bokeh. Once saved, open photos to tweak depth control, crop to fine-tune your zoom composition, and apply subtle sharpening if needed. If portrait mode won't engage or the blur looks wrong, make sure the lens is clean, your subject is within the required distance, or restart the camera app. These fixes resolve most glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.